dala mo? Oh. Meron ba? Hindi mo ba napanood yung last time?
Sir, pwede pa yung sarili ko yan.
Background of the experiment. The project that we decide to make is a miniature crane or a simple robotic arm that is being controlled by two servo motors. This prototype is like a machine which has been used in industry, mainly at the junk shops. The project is like a crane that picks up metal to transfer from one place to another.
A microcontroller is used to control the miniature robotic arm by the use of the push button connected to the microcontroller. The Cold Warrior software is used as an assembler to generate and simulate the codes to verify if the system has an error or if it works properly. The miniature robotic arm are composed of two servo motors, microcontroller, and connecting wires.
Our objectives for the prototype, which is miniature crane, is to apply the concepts learned from the previous experiments, to apply the basic knowledge in the laboratory experiments in making and designing the proposed project of the experiment. Another one is to learn how to use the servo motor in robotic applications. The last one, to familiarize the group with the Code Warrior software, its function, program instructions, codes, and tools.
Our prototype is miniature robotic arm. Its application in the industry is the automated systems in factories and etc. Basically, a robotic arm consists of two servos. One which serves as rotating the robotic arm left and right, and the other one for up and down motions. So a robotic arm requires 7 ports, meaning we use 4 buttons. Each button corresponds a certain movement of the robotic arm. And the servo requires at least 5 volts of 5-volt source, and the control port is connected to the microcontroller in order to determine its direction. Sa marinig ako. For the assembly of the robotic arm, in total we used 6 ports. 4 of the ports serves as inputs for the other push button. So port 7, PTAD 7, is connected to push button 1, which serves as the rotational, which rotates the base of the servo, meaning creating a movement either left or right. The second pin is therefore connected to the second push button, which also moves the servo either left or right. The other two, the third, is connected to the third push button, which rotates it either up or down, and the last one is connected to push button 4, which also moves it either up or down. And for the inputs to the servo, we used port 0, PTAD 0, and it is connected to the first servo, which serves as the base of the robotic arm. And the second one, port 3, is connected to the second servo, which moves the robotic arm up or down.